I Am Planet Earth by Jean Marzollo, illustrated by Judith Moffatt. I am planet Earth. I am the third planet from the sun. The sun gives me heat and light. I have many fine things. I have cool, wet water. I have hot, dry sand. I have leafy trees and jungles. I have mountains and valleys. I have warm, green rice paddies. I have cold, white ice. I have animals. I have people. I have towns. I have cities. And I have you. Can you find where you live? Can you find where you were born? Pretend a light is the sun. Shine the light on the globe. Can you see how the sun makes night and day? Night and day, I am your planet, the only one you have. Please take care of me. The end.